Hello and welcome to another lecture of how to edit header in Shopify theme customization. For this you have to go to customize, and then from here you will see on the left side on homepage template you will see header option under the announcement bar. Just click on header and we will edit our header now. Here you see we have color scheme with different colors. Okay, we will keep background 2 and then you can select the logo. You can also add alt text for your logo. This is used for SEO purposes. Just like the keywords you will be putting in alt text of your logo will be used by search engines, and then you can give a width to your logo, like you can increase it, decrease it like this, and then you can place the logo in middle left, top left, and top center like this. So we keep it on left side as we are in great theme, free Shopify OS 2.0 theme, best for speed and best for OS 2.0 version. And here you can link the menus. You can also link, remove, and you can change the menus from here. If you have some custom menus available, you can make them link with your header. And then you can show separate line like this. You can hide separate line, and then you can enable sticky header. Enable sticky header means when you will scroll down, the header will be showing here at the top. If not enabled, it will not be stick to your top. And then bottom margin, you can also increase and decrease this margin from here. So we will keep it 0. And then you have theme setting options. In here you can enable product suggestions. You can put the Twitter link, social media links, like all the social medias, and then you can make it vertical offset. Just like here, we will be adding twitter.com/ecom premium. Here you see we have Twitter available here at the footer. So this are all the things you can do it. Just click on save, and you can also view the mobile version here, the optimized mobile responsive version of your store here like this, and you can do that, change it accordingly here. So this was the lecture on how to edit header. Thank you.